Hi everybody, how you doing out there? How's your day going? What day of the week is it? I don't know. Might be Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. But here's the thing. Do you live for the weekend? Are you thinking about Saturday and Sunday, what you're gonna do? Maybe it's Monday, maybe it's Tuesday, maybe it's Wednesday. I don't know what day of the week you're gonna watch this. But what I want you to think about, how did work go today? How did your job go today? Is it something you really have a passion for? Is it something you really want to do? Is it something you look forward to every day where you're saying, oh, it's the weekend, but I can't wait to get back to work on Monday? Probably not. When I was in corporate America, I liked what I did. I liked finance, I liked accounting, I liked being a chief financial officer. I liked doing the things I did. But you know the one thing I didn't have was time. If I wanted to take a vacation like here to Hawaii, sometimes it was hard getting the time off. I had to wait for approval. Well, we'll let you know if we can approve that time. Don't you have to plan it ahead of time? That's what I was thinking. Sometimes they'd let you know last minute, sometimes they'd tell you, sometimes they'd leave you hanging. Don't ever ask for 2 weeks, because that was too much to take off at one time, because who was going to do the work while you were gone? Are these all things you face in your job? You might be looking for something. That something could be real estate. Let me tell you, real estate could change your life. But you have to make that decision. You have to take the first step. So get out there, think about how you can change your life, think about how you can make things different, think about places you'd like to go, and is it worth committing to something to change your life? I think it can be. Make your dreams a reality. Take care, believe and achieve. Bye-bye.